pressure so hard. I long for relief, still my deepest pain